What's up everybody? In today's video I will be teaching you how to do scene hair. In order to get the ultimate perfect scene hair look, you will need a few things. The two top most important things that you will need though is comb and any type of hairspray. But I highly suggest Bedhead as a very good brand. This is the Hairspray Extreme Hold number 5. When it comes to the combs that you use, I'd say any comb would work. The more teeth that the comb has, the better. So for instance, mine is a Conair comb that I got from Walgreens. Very affordable, very cheap. And it has 3 rows of teeth. So this is a very good comb for scene hair. So the thing that's important to know about scene hair is that it's all about the volume and the colors. You have to tease your hair. You want it to be big. But as far as accessories go, you can really put in anything. Scene hair is known to have a lot of accessories. Scene queens commonly use things such as crowns and bows and hair extensions. But today I will be using these skeleton hair clips because I think they're so bomb. I also will be using some clip-in hair extensions that I actually did myself. I will be using a turquoise blue coontail today for my scene hair look. I worked on this one as well. This is a yellow leopard print. Awesome, I'm so excited to clip those in. Before we get started on doing really big, beautiful scene hair, you have to make sure that your hair is straight. It has to be straight everywhere. So let's just take this out. Make sure the bangs are on the side. It's always a good look for scene hair. Not being parted in the middle, but on the side. All we're gonna do now is just straighten the hair. Straighten bits and pieces of the hair. Now we're just gonna put those to the side, get those out of the way. Just saying, the straighter your hair looks, the better. As long as it's straight and has volume, it's gonna look really good. It's gonna be what you want it to be. Okay. Now is a very, very, very important step because this is what's gonna give you very good volume in your hair. Roll up my sleeves for this one. So now this technique that I'm gonna do is called teasing or back combing, whichever you prefer, but I call it teasing. What we do is we start off in sections. Take a little section here. You're going to, instead of combing it the direction you usually would comb your hair, you're gonna actually comb it in the opposite direction. But you're not gonna do the whole thing. You're just gonna do it by the roots. That is it. So really, you're only teasing it from like here to here. That's it, and no farther than that. That is also where the hairspray comes in. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the first little section here. Spray a little bit right here on the roots, just a little bit, you don't need that much. And then we're gonna start teasing. See? Just like this. Just a little bit, and voila. It looks kind of crazy now, but it'll get better once you are done teasing it. I will show you what to do next, but all you're gonna do is you're gonna be doing this for your entire head. So yeah, let's get going on that. So this is what we have so far. So after you comb it out like this, all you're gonna do is pull it apart on the ends a little bit. So it's gonna look something like that. And then we're just gonna repeat on the other side. Is just trying to like smooth the shape down, because we know we have our volume, so that's really all that matters. Is we just want really good volume. You could see like it's big all the way around, so all the way in the back it's nice and big. It looks really big and beautiful from every angle. We're gonna spray some hairspray in our bangs to keep them to the side, because that's where we want them. Okay, now that we have big, beautiful, perfect hair, perfect bangs, now it's time for all the fun accessories. Looking perfect. Now let's put the skeleton clips in.
Try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it. it. You're not into it.
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it.
I'm not into it. I'm not into it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even.
And then now, just the last finishing touch, just spray hairspray all over to keep that look still. Alright guys, there you have it, how to get scene hair 101.
Even love it when they try to get